In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export or copy text out to Microsoft Word from InCopy. We'll cover 2 reliable ways to move your writing from Adobe InCopy into Microsoft Word. First, we'll export a clean file that Word understands well. Then, I'll show you a quick copy and paste option that's perfect for short snippets. Start by launching Adobe InCopy. Once it's open, go ahead and open your document. This can be an InCopy file or content linked from an InDesign workflow. Give the layout a moment to load, then navigate to the text you want to move over to Word. Select the Type tool and click inside the text frame you plan to export. This tells InCopy exactly which story you're working with. If you want everything in that story, you can select all before exporting. If you only need a section, highlight just that portion so the export reflects your selection. Now head up to the File menu and choose Export. This opens a standard Save dialog. Pick a location that's easy to find, such as your desktop or a project folder. In the Save as Type menu on Windows or the Format menu on Mac OS, choose Rich Text Format, or RTF. RTF is widely compatible with Microsoft Word and does a solid job of carrying over core formatting like paragraphs, bold, and italics, and basic styles. Keep in mind that highly specialized formatting or anchored graphics may not translate perfectly in RTF, but for text-centric work, it's a great choice. Give your file a clear name and click Save. That's it for the export. To finish in Word, simply open the .rtf file there and then save it as a .docx. Converting to .docx inside Word helps preserve compatibility and makes future editing smoother. If you only need a quick excerpt, there's also a fast copy and paste method. Back in InCopy, highlight the exact text you want, then press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac OS to copy. Switch to Word and paste with Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac OS. Depending on your Word settings, you can adjust paste options to keep source formatting or match the destination style. This approach is ideal when formatting precision isn't critical, or when you're moving small chunks of text into an existing Word document. To recap, use Export to RTF for a dependable handoff to Word, especially for larger stories, and copy and paste for quick snippets. With these 2 methods, you can move your content from InCopy to Word confidently and efficiently.